Carson, go up there and say hi.
Are you excited?
Johnny.
Reese, get in there, get a picture with me. Carson, look up at mommy. Look up at mommy.
Hey, Reese.
Oh.
What are you mad at me?
I gotta tell you, Carson.
What are you talking about?
We stay here in Harambe. One day, let's go.
Oh, yeah? I'm gonna go to the water.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Bumpy road, bumpy road, bumpy road. Oh,
Here's the water we're going through. Oh, look over there.
There's their first one right over there on the right-hand side, the yellow-backed diker.
Look, guys, over there.
That's the ghost of the forest.
Bongos are
Notice the horns on them, how they're bent backwards. That's
what were sweet?
right ahead of us here is the male box. Three.
What do we got here,
This one
buddy?
here is about a marker. One up ahead here is the male. The rest are females.
That's the talking one.
Both males and females have horns, and those horns can grow up to 60 inches long.
Hi, dear. Carson, say hi,
Here
deer.
on the savannah, pretty much created by the animals that live here. The elephants are like the bulldozers in the savannah. They can push trees over to eat them.
Easy enough.
Through the forest, eating the undersides of the trees, and that allows more light to get in. Zebras and wildebeest, they'll mow down the grasses, letting the nutrients spread. And the little nibblers come along.
You're not videoing me, are you?
No.
They trim up such as this. Enough food for everyone.
Look at these little animals,
On
Reese.
the
You
right-hand
can't see.
side, those are the Thompson's gazelles. Known as Tommies. Most prolific of all the animals in Africa.
Just
Fully grown, they only grow up to about 60 pounds.
Wow.
Capable of avoiding. On the left-hand side, we have the reticulata, the Latin word reticulata, which means net. Refers to the pattern on their coat. Tallest of the animals in the world. They can grow up to 20 feet tall. At birth, they're about 6 foot tall. Spends 15 to 18 hours a day just feeding. Male African elephants can grow up to 12,000 pounds. Females a little bit smaller, 6,000 to 8,000 pounds. A single female in her lifetime can give birth to up to 15 calves. Gestation period for the elephant, 22 months. They can live 50 to 70.
Keep a lookout for it.
Look through your binoculars.
Will do, Wilson. We're headed for the copies now. White rhino, referring to the color as an African color. Wide, it refers to the lower jaw of the rhino.
My film's done.
He's in shock.
My film's done.
Did it again. There's your mom. Carson, say, give me 5.
Where's Steve?
Look at him. He doesn't know what to think.
Get a picture of Reese up there with Chippendale, Dad.
He can't.
Carson, you want your picture? Go get your picture.
You didn't want to. Reese, you don't want to?
That's awesome.
Are you scared of them? They scare you? Then put it, just drop it down in there.
Blaine's little dinosaur.
And this you're putting in new, right?
Yeah.
Because you'll get them confused.
Let it crawl up your arm.
Which ones are used and which ones aren't used.
The ones that are out.
Oh, okay. Jimmy.
Okay. See his red thing?
Oh, yep. The zoomer?
Just take it.
You mean like that big zit on your nose? It's a zoomer?
Daddy. You're mean. Okay, this is how you make it zoom. And you push that button to take the picture.
And then what happens?
And it takes the picture.
Where's the little screen at? I gotta look through that?
Yeah.
I wear glasses. I can't look through that. Jody can do it.
Yeah. Me and
You and who?
me and Mickey.
Just Caitlin and Mickey.
That's what I mean.
Don't mess it up. She's charging you
$20. What's that?
Yeah, it's $20 if you mess up. No
if you mess it
artistic
up.
stuff either. No pictures of just ears.
$20.
Yeah, if you
I
mess
don't
up.
own $20. We'll wait right here.
Mickey Mouse.
Go up there and see Mickey Mouse, and Daddy can get a picture.
Reese, no. Reese, no.
All right. That's a huge smile.
Okay, thanks. You going up there, Jordan, or no?
Bye, Mickey.
Come on here. Come on, it's okay. See, Mickey's a nice guy. Come on. We finally found the mouse.
Stop.
It's Grumpy Blaine Mouse. What are you doing, Blaine?
Stop.
What are you doing, Blaine? What are you doing? You hunting lizards?
I already caught him.
Slow down, you're walking too fast. Can't keep up. I got a video camera here. Oh, tell me something I don't know. What? Come on, make it good. I'm trying to take a video here. Are you gonna go back up there and kiss Mickey Mouse? Come on, go give him a kiss.
No.
Come on, kiss the big rat.
Get a picture of you with Mickey.
Come here. Come here, Blaine. Come on, I want to take a video of you. Come here. Uh-oh, the boss. We're in trouble.
Look at, I told Audra, look. Look at those ice cream cookies they're eating. They're 2 chocolate chip cookies with a layer of ice cream in between them.
Mmm, those sound good. How come you don't have one, Audra?
Yes.
Did you ask Grandma to buy you one?
No.
Liar.
Yes. Tiffany's gonna beat you if you did.
She's getting me one. She's getting me one.
Ooh, Blaine on video again.
Give 5. Give 5. Okay, come on. Are we all gonna get in here?
Everybody?
Come on, Carson.
Hey, Blaine, come on, man. You gotta get up here. Grandma said everybody, and she's not bringing the...
That's Mom.
Good?
What makes my back?
What? What are they doing? It's one of those things. You never know.
Uncle Donnie, what are you doing?
I'm watching TV. You got a what?
Smack a postcard?
Oh, look, it's an Audra's ass. Don't, Blaine.